I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make Shopify store using AI step by step. First, pick a clear niche and list 10 potential products. Use AI to generate product descriptions, titles, and keyword suggestions. Set up Shopify account, choose a theme, and enable payments. Optimize product pricing and shipping rules with AI recommendations. Prepare launch assets like banners and email templates. Test checkout flow and mobile layout before going live. Next, connect AI tools that handle descriptions, images, and SEO to your workflow. Use an AI writer to create concise product titles and benefits, then paste them into your Shopify product fields. Generate or refine product images with AI and upload optimized files. Let AI suggest meta descriptions and tags for search. Configure automation for inventory alerts, pricing rules, and email flows to save time and reduce manual upkeep throughout your store setup process. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: life is long, workdays are longer, so treat your feet. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty. It pairs perfectly with long building sessions and early mornings. I put the link and deal in the description along with other resources to help your Shopify build. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Before you publish, run a full checkout test including taxes, shipping options, and payment gateways. Use AI to craft a launch email sequence and social posts that match your brand voice. Verify mobile responsiveness and load times, then correct any layout issues. Prepare customer support replies using AI templates for common questions. Finally, enable analytics tracking to monitor conversions and refine product pages and ads based on real user behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.